Hi, I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti and it's so good to have you here. And today I'll talk about the products I buy every month. I mean almost every month. Skincare, makeup, then hair care. So let's start. So the first thing I buy every month is sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important to protect our skin from UV rays. And I use sunscreen religiously. And for that I have this one from Derma Co. The Derma Co's 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel has the power up SPF 50 and PA4 plus, so it gives both UVA and UVB protection. This is super lightweight, fragrance free and leaves no white cast. The effective combination of hyaluronic acid and vitamin E helps to fight not just sun damage but also gives you the nourishment that your skin needs. Also, this is non-greasy, doesn't clog the pores, it absorbs really quickly and provides really good hydration. It is the perfect sunscreen for everyday use. Also, now there is more to love about Derma Co. Through their Young Scientist initiative, Derma Co has empowered more than 10,000 students, and every time you buy from Derma Co, they link your order to a child they help along with Bhumi. And also now all their products are fragrance free, and you can use my code SHAMAPTI2024 to get a 20% off on Derma Co products on their official website. Derma Co is also available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart and Purple. I really hope this works for you. And next I have is hair oil. So hair oil is something I buy every month. I use hair oil sometimes overnight. Also, every time I wash my hair, I apply hair oil. Before that, I keep this for at least 1 hour. Then I rinse it off. And that hair oil I buy every month is Safa black seed oil. This is my most favorite hair oil. It has helped my hair so much. It reduced my hair fall. It has made my scalp's health better. And I really love using it. These days, I'm mixing Safa black seed oil with rosemary, and this is working really well for me. And next I have something that is a body oil that I am buying every month, because every time I take shower I use body oil. I know it can be tiresome to do it every day, every time, but it has been helping my skin a lot. At least I keep this for 10 minutes, then I use shower gel or shower oil or body wash, whatever. Also, if you find soaps to be drying, then try this method. Apply body oil before showering, keep this on at least for 10 minutes, then use soap or whatever you want to use. Your skin won't feel dry. And I've been using this Chandanadi body oil from, I think, Sitaram, Ayurveda, and this is working so well for me. Love this one. Another thing I buy every month is one multi-purpose ointment. You can use this for your hands, lips. Sometimes I also use this on my pimples. And yeah, Boroline is a part of our daily life. I mean, if I get even a cut, I apply Boroline on it, because this is one antiseptic cream and I totally recommend it as a multi-purpose ointment. And the last thing I have is, this is not that I buy this every month, but every 2 or 3 months. That is mascara, because I don't use mascara for more than 3 months. If I have a bottle, I'm gonna throw it, because I have noticed if I use one old mascara that gives me eye issue. So I'm very diligent about that, about changing mascara. So even I would recommend you to buy too many mascaras. Just buy 1 or 2 and try to use it as fast you can. I mean, for me it's max 2 or 3 months. I keep this as my maximum window for using mascara and eyeliner. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I really hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for being there, and I'm gonna see you very soon then. Bye bye.